Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. I often get asked what is the best time to trade the markets, and the answer to that really is what type of trading are you doing? Are you day trading or are you swing trading the markets? Now, as a day trader, as I am, I'm looking for that early morning move in the European session. I'm based here in London, so I'm looking for that London morning session anytime really from you could start looking at the markets at 6 a.m. in the morning, but realistically, you want to be ready before 7 a.m. in the morning London time. You can see as I plot the area down below here, this 7 a.m. to 9:30ish is a nice time to trade the markets. Now, I'm seeing this get even earlier at the moment, where the markets really do kick in and we get some decent signals around the 7 a.m. It used to be 8 a.m. but now it's the 7 a.m. move. So you can see here, this is the German Dax on a 5-minute chart. Of course, if you've been watching our videos, green is to buy, red is to sell. And our first signal comes just after 7 a.m. I'll show you why in a second. And then we get a new signal here at just before 8 a.m. where the equity market opens. London Stock Exchange is opening here in London. And you see this very nice move from around 14,360 all the way up to 14,480. So a pretty powerful move where you can go for your day's money. And that's an argument and debate that you have with some people, is that from a 5-minute candlestick here, this last signal is 750 all the way up to the sell signal here at 850. Perfect. We've got 1 hour's worth of trading, and the markets move 100 odd points here in the German Dax. So that 100 points, we get a nice move higher. Times that by, if you're spread betting in here in the UK at £5, you've made £500 in 1 hour. Is that better than making, 200 point move at £1 a point over several trading days? Excuse my writing here. For a swing trader, obviously you may well be, trying to risk the same amount of percent, because on a 5-minute chart your stop's going to be much tighter in this area here on a 5-minute chart, where if you're doing it on a daily time frame, so let's have a look at the daily chart of the German Dax. Here's the last buy signal right here on that Sunday evening. Pro Trading System optimized the stop 13,675, and then you got to stop here at 13,326. Let's call that 300 pips. Okay, so a pretty wide stop there to take into consideration the volatility of the German Dax. Or are you better off doing a stop in these areas, 365 just down to here at 338, a 30-point stop, okay, and then going for that morning move? I like to go for the morning move. As a day trader, I'm looking for this injection of volume in the early morning, and sitting there at home at times before I get into my trading room here, Trading College Towers, and trading that morning move. And you could be doing it with your laptop, absolutely no problem at all. So I prefer that morning move. I prefer mixing it up, really, some swing trades and 100% day trades, but throwing in some swing trades in there as well. And there's no harm if you're a day trader leaving, let's say you were long here 5, let's sell 4 up here. There's no harm in leaving 1 for the swing trade, and then you move over to the daily chart and then let it run for another 300 points on the daily time frame. Okay, so really the German Dax move this morning was all based on, a lot of it's all based on my 1 hour time frame. As I look at the 1 hour chart here this morning, I get it up and I'm looking, it's a beautiful morning here in London, and I'm looking to see where the momentum is shifting. We've got a nice green PTS at 2 o'clock in the morning. I'm tucked up in bed, fast asleep then, but we're still green when I get to my charts here at 6:45, and I'm looking then for that first early morning move. Traders want to make the market push in a direction and make some money early. I want to jump on the back of those trades, and that's where the Pro Trading System comes in, gives you those early morning signals. So if I've got green 1 hour, then I'm looking for green 1 hour, then I'm looking for green buy signals on that 5 minutes. We call it green on green. Really creative, eh? Green on green keeps it really simple. That's your morning move. 100 points, £5 a point. You've done 500 in an hour. And now what I call your effective hourly rate, you're working a lot less hours and making just the same amount of return on investment. All right, guys, so that's pretty much the best time for me to trade. And I would imagine if you're day trading markets, it would certainly be the best time for you to trade. And now, with the sun shining, it's 9:05, time to do something else. Have a great rest of the day, guys. Speak to you soon. Take care.